is this? This is a fire truck. It can put out fires, even in tall buildings. Try to put all the parts together. Rotating mechanism. Cabin. Cabin. Wheels with wings. Wheels with wings. Ladder. Door. Water tank. Water tank. Cabin. Toolbox. Cabin. Wheels with wings. Ladder. Seats. Water tank. Cabin. Wheels with wings. Seats. Door. Door. Cabin. Wheels with wings. Wheels with wings. Ladder. Seats. Door. 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 It turned out so well. Let's gas up the car. Pull the fuel nozzle to the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank